In this video we will learn how to install Java on Windows 11. With that we will also run a sample Java program. Let us start. Go to the web browser. On Google type Oracle Java and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. oracle.com/java. Here directly click download Java. Now the downloads are visible. Go below. Here different versions are visible and here is the current version. I'll go for Windows. Okay. And under Windows I'll click the exe installer, that is 183 MB. Here it is. Click on it to download. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The Java setup started. Click next. Here the path is visible where Java will get installed. Keep it as it is and click next. Now Java will get installed. It is complete. Click close. We have installed Java. Let us set the path. Go to the place where we installed Java. It was in C drive, program files, and here it is Java. Double click. After that double click JDK. Go to bin and copy this path. Minimize. Go to start, type environment variables. After that click the first one, that is edit the system environment variables. Here it is. Click open. Now set the path. Go to the advanced tab. Click environment variables. From here double click path. Now click new and paste the same path. Right click and paste. Okay, we have pasted the same path. Now click OK. After that we need to set one more path. So under system variables click new. Here mention Java underscore home under variable name. That is here, and under variable value paste the same path. I have pasted it. But here you need to remove bin. So I'll just remove it. That's it. Okay, now click OK. Here we have set the Java underscore home path also. Click OK. And the last OK. So we have installed Java. Let us go to start and type cmd to verify. Click open. Java -- version and press enter. So the following shows that we successfully installed the current Java version. Okay, not a problem. Now let us run our first program. You can create a program anywhere on the desktop. To ease my work, I'll go to D drive. I'll right click and click new. And I'll just create a text document. Okay. I'll name it demo.java. I'll just change the extension from here. When I'll press enter, it will change the extension. If you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes. So now we have a Java file. Here it's written Java file. When you'll keep the mouse cursor, it is written Java file. Many users never get this extension option. It's very easy to fix it. Go to view, click show and select file name extensions. I have selected it, therefore it is visible. Okay. Now let us right click and open it in Notepad++ or Notepad. Many users still don't have Notepad++, so I'll just click edit in Notepad. Now you would be wondering how we can run our first program. So I'll just take a program from my website. Okay, so we will go to our website. So here is our website Studiopedia and this is the Java tutorial. Okay, here it is. What we can do, we can go to here. I'll also mention this link in the video description. That is the following link. Okay, from here, just copy this code and minimize. Go to here and right click paste. So this is our program. Okay, now there is a fix. The file name is demo.java. So the class name should be the same, as there will be an error. And here we have used system.out.println to print something. So this will print Studiopedia Java tutorial and our first Java program. Okay, I'll just go to file and click save all quickly. Now to run it, what I'll do, since we have already set the path, you just need to go here. Okay, go to D drive and we will use the dir command so that we can list whatever we have. We have the following: demo.java and update on G drive. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just use Java C. Java C means to compile. then the file name, that is we need to compile the demo.java file. I'll press enter. If there is an error, it will show there is no error and it created a class file. Okay, just now. That means we compiled it successfully. Now to run it, type java space demo and press enter. Now what will be visible? I told you study-a-pediat Java tutorial and our first Java program, and the following is visible. So this is how you can run your first Java program. For a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. This is the complete Java tutorial provided by us.